Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today, I'm reviewing the Analogg aluminum body wireless QMK and VIA mechanical keyboard. It has tri-mode connection including Bluetooth 5.1 and Type-C wired connection, and even supports up to 8 devices via its stable Bluetooth 5.1. It also comes with keycaps for both macOS and Windows, 3 keycaps for each, so you can switch between operating systems with ease. The keyboard also features an ultra-low power ARM Cortex M332 STM32 F103 MCU, 1 M flash, and a knob providing 3 actions: clockwise rotation, counterclockwise rotation, and pressing. You can also customize it with almost all 3-pin and 5-pin MX-style mechanical switches available in the market, including Cherry, Gateron, Kale, Panda, etc. You can find this keyboard in the link in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.